Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you something very cool that you can do with your Minecraft server for free. It's called proximity voice chat. First of all, you need to have a working server or a way to play with your friends in Minecraft. And to make things easier, you can use Curseforge to install a Minecraft mod. This mod does not require you to install anything on your server, so now let's get into it. First, we need to start with installing Mumble. So just search mumble download. You need to get the one that looks like this because the other ones are some other website that I don't know about. Just click on Mumble for Windows, or if you have Mac OS or Linux you can do that. But let's download that. Wait for it to download. Yeah, now you need to run this installer. I'm not gonna do it because I already have installed it, and there will be an initial setup where you need to change all of the volume settings. So just go through that and meet me at the next step. So now once we've done that, we're going to launch Mumble. You're going to get this window. Just click on cancel for now. And here it is. So we need to set some things up. In configure, go to settings and go to the audio output setting. Here at positional audio you set the minimum distance to 1 meter. Bloom you can just choose yourself. The maximum distance you can also choose. I like 100 meters because it's like you can still hear people that are pretty far away. It's just more fun. And then you can also set your minimum volume all the way down to 0 because otherwise they won't fade out all the way and you can always hear them. It's not that fun. Then we go to plugins. You need to select the link to game and transmit position, and you need to make sure that all of these are enabled. Minecraft isn't in this, I think, but it should just work out of the box. So just press apply and then press OK. It will just do a quick little restart, that kind of thingy, and then we're gonna go to the next step. So the next step is to set up Mumble link. This is also very easy. I have got a link in the description with a modpack that you can use for Curseforge, but you can also just search for Mumble link. Oh no, Mumble link, and you can just click here and download it from Curseforge and just install it yourself on Forge. I'm not gonna go into that because I have this thing. So you're gonna download this. You're gonna go into Curseforge. Just launch Curseforge. If you don't have it, you can use the other method where you download it from the Curseforge website and put it manually in a mods folder. So once your Curseforge is started up, you go into create custom profile in the Minecraft mod section. You're going to import a new profile. After a while it should open a box like this. You go search for the file the zip folder you just downloaded. It's right here, this one. You open it, and then you press create or something. You just make sure that's all done. I'm not gonna do that because I already have it. It should be called something else in controller. I'm going to maybe change it. If it's not, it should just be called controller. So now I'm gonna press play on this one, and it should start up a Forge game. As you can see, it's just a normal Minecraft launcher that it opens with the controller as the name. So press play and wait for it to start up, and then I'll see you again. I already set up Mumble on the left and Minecraft on the right. This is just to see what happens in the Mumble terminal. You don't need to do this, but it's handy to know if it works. So we'll just wait for Minecraft to complete. It's nearly done, as you can see. So it started up. let's do this. So now we just gonna go on a Minecraft server. I have a Babblehost server together with my friends, so I'm just gonna join that and watch your mumble text thingy here. As you can see, is someone online? Yes, you can see if we just go look, Minecraft linked. That's a good sign. Now you can just log out of Minecraft or just stay in it. You can basically choose, I'm gonna disconnect so I don't die. Now the next step is to make a mumble server. So just go here, and if you're in the UK, this is a very good website to use for getting a free mumble server. So just go to pumanetwork, and here we can just get an unlimited free mumble server, and you just need to refresh it every month and it will be good. So just press on commander. It's French website, maybe your Google Translate can translate into English for you. So just press on this, give in your email address. So just give in your email address. So now we just give in a password. Yeah, I'll see you once I fill this in. So now you've done that, you should have gotten an email. So just open your mail. Here, Puma Network. You can see if you just click on this, you get the address. Yes. So as you can see, I have 2 servers now. So normally you should only have gotten 1, but this is the one you have got. And now we're gonna go into Mumble. Now into server, connect. We're gonna add a new server. We're going to copy the IP address from here. This needs everyone who wants to. So just do your IP address that you got and the port. Mumble. Put in the right port. You can give it a name like Mumble with friends for proximity chat, like that. Press OK. Should get a third one or first one, and then you just press connect. It will go connecting to the server, and as you can see, we're in. This is a good sign. Now someone needs to get in with you as well. They need to go onto the same Minecraft server, and yeah, and you will automatically connect. And if you get close enough to each other, you can hear each other. If you get away, you shouldn't be able to hear each other anymore. So you can also use other Mumble servers. So just search Mumble servers. Here on the wiki.mumble.info, you can just scroll down to the place where if you live in Africa, you only have one which you need to pay for. If you're in Asia, you have one that you can have for free. If you're in Australia, they're all commercial. In the European Union, you have a couple of non-commercial and a couple of commercial ones. I use, let's see which one I use. I use Clean Voice. So in the United Kingdom you have some in the United States, some in Canada. They're all commercial, so you need to pay. But you can just choose one that says both or non-commercial and you'll be fine. Just choose the one that's closest to you. And then, yeah, you can just create a server, give it an IP address, or sometimes you even get a link, so you just need to click that one. Yeah, so that was it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Yeah, see ya!